TikTok's got me wanting to try that whipped instant coffee. Here we go. Take your instant coffee and add 2 tablespoons. But I like mine really strong, so we're gonna add 3. You're gonna add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Take some hot water. I just used warm tap water. 3 tablespoons. Then you just whisk it all together. Yes, I'm using a hand whisk. Electric mixer would be much better. Keep going till it gets a little more fluffy. I'll be here for a couple more minutes. Fill your cup up with some ice and milk. I like vanilla almond milk. That dairy is junk. Then you take it, put it right there on top. Let me tell you, my kitchen smells amazing. Looks delicious. Time to test this baby out. Stir it up and drink it. I'll let you know how it is.